Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video. Before we get into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, whatever you want to do to the video, right? So today we are here with an unboxing of a new product, which was one of the biggest products that people was looking forward to at the CT Barber Expo, right? But before we get into that, I want to go into this that I also got from the Barber Expo. This is Rootology, right? So what Rootology is for beards, right? I got a beard, so they stopped me, right? So it comes with a different oil, right? You got all your different oils, it's different scents and different stuff. So what it is pretty much a beard comb. You got your beard comb, but you twist the oil, which I think is pretty cool, right? So you twist the oil bottle of whatever scent. I got a bunch of different ones. I don't even know all the scents that I got. But you put the scent into here. It's like a little screw hole right there. See the top of the beard oil? You screw it in, right? And the comb has like these little holes at the bottom of the comb. Got little holes down there, so when you're combing, the oil, supposedly, it comes through the comb. So instead of you like, putting the oil on your hands and stuff like that, you just put it in the comb and it just comes through the comb and kind of, go through each stroke. How it works, I don't know, but as you can see, like extra oil is coming out. It's not a lot, which is cool, but it do seem at sometimes it's also not enough, right? So, but I bought it, me being a beard guy, and I know a lot of people want to say stuff about my beard anyway. So I got that just to kind of see how it works. And so far it's been pretty good. Like I said, it comes through. It's not a lot of oil, but it is some oil that comes onto your, and I don't even remember the price of this, honestly. I will look it up, but it's here on the screen. I think it was like $40, $40, $50, and then you get some oils that come with it and all that stuff, right? So I just wanted to try that, and that is Rootology. I'll put their info down at the bottom of the screen. Yeah. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all that good stuff that comes along with being on the beautiful platform that we call YouTube. And I'll be back. Peace.